there, Sally Van Swearingen here. I did a quick makeup look on Tara, and I'm going to show you how I did this in 3 minutes or less. So the first product I'm using is my highlighting concealer. Now this product I've used for many years on actresses, models, brides, and my male broadcasters for camera. I like to use this product because it really brings out the eye area and makes the upper face the dominant portion of the face, especially beautiful for anything for camera. Now you see I'm blending this in with a slanted foundation, primer, concealer brush. I'm making sure I really blend those edges. However, you can see that I really still have the brightness on the face. You don't want to overblend that. You want to see it's there. Next, I'm using my Boudoir Quad eyeshadow. Love this. So the color to the upper left top is the lightest color in the quad. The lightest color in this one is a pale pink white lavender. Now this is going to go in the corner. The second color is berry. I use a large brush. You can see that big full paintbrush, and this is going to give me that nice touch to put it on the eye in a V section, but very soft. Then I'm going to use little circular motions to blend it. You'll notice you're not getting any fallout. It's staying right where I apply it, but allowing that color to be dominant in that area. Using a paper towel, which I often do in between blending, to take some of the color off. Makeup sponge for final blending. Now this third color, which is the lower left, this has a little tiny bit of purple in it. Can you see that? It's a taupey lavender. Now I'm going to blend that with a square shaped brush as close to the lash line as I can get it. I'm really getting in there with the brush and creating an eyeliner eyeshadow effect. On the lower eye, you'll notice that I'm only putting it in the center area, not bringing it entirely across at this point. Just getting that color very dominant. Now I'm blending those two colors, the soft brown and what I call the purple lavender. I love to call it that color. It looks like that to me. So I'm blending those two colors in with the same brush and just getting that nice smoky effect. Now we have the bullet brush. Now why do we use a bullet brush? Because it's a fuller brush, but it still has a slightly pointed tip. That's going to allow me to really blend and get that smoky look. Again, keeping those colors where we want them. This is a nice touch Cacao Gloss. This is going to give those lips a pop, and you notice it's a nude, but it has a slight bit of pink to it because we never want to use a color that's too brown. We want to make the teeth look white. Now I'm using one of my favorite products. It's called Velvet Chalk Brow Balm. And I call it Velvet Chalk because I find it very easy to get it on the brow and it looks natural. I'm using the brush to create height in the brow. As you notice, I start at the top of the brow and I work across the brow line. Then when I get to that middle part, I move the brush away. I blend in with my spoolie and just keep that brow high. Then I could go back and do detail work with the brush. For the very last step, we're having Tara put on her own mascara. She could get in there and really get that mascara on. Doesn't she look beautiful, fresh, and luminous?